back to my channel. Today's video is the first official weigh-in day or video since I've gone back to keto full-time, fundamental keto. Last week would have been my first official week. However, Aunt Flo made an unexpected visit and the scale stayed the same, which is to be expected. In fact, normally I would usually be about 2 to 3 pounds heavier that week, but it stayed the same, so I knew that I was losing. So on the scale this morning, what happened? You want to find out? Then stay with me. But before I get into the weigh-in, guys, I just have to say to all of you who sent prayers and good wishes our way regarding Kevin and Ashley's car accident. I have to find the right words, but there are none. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Your prayers worked. Kevin is doing very well. Ashley remains in the hospital after surgery. She's having a little bit of a difficult time getting up and walking around with that broken femur. However, her progress is getting a little bit better each day. So thank you all so much. You overwhelmed me with your prayers and your thoughts and your messages and your emails and your instant messages and everything else. Guys, I appreciate it more than you know. That was the scariest day of my life thus far. And I can't even begin to let you guys know how much it means to me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so now you want to find out what happened on the scale. Didn't mean to toss that in the middle, but it kind of came to mind while I was talking because I did want to thank you all. So anyway, this morning on the scale, I am officially down 3.8 pounds. So what does that mean? 3.8 pounds from the first 2 weeks, could be water weight, could be anything else. However, guys, I'm doing my measurements and I have lost inches. My muscle mass that I have been working so hard to get really seems like it's staying the same. I do feel a little bit leaner, a little bit lighter, par for the course on keto. You guys know keto is a muscle sparing way of life. So all the muscle mass that I have gained over the past few months is still there. I am having a little bit of an increase in energy now, and my workouts are not as they're not as weak, I guess you want to say. Like the first week I was feeling really fatigued in the gym, and now I'm back to normal. In fact, I feel like I have even more energy than before. So all of that being said, this is where I'm supposed to be. It was a pleasure to come back to keto and experiment with, you know, building muscle and whatnot. And I am just going to continue down this road, guys. I'm going to continue my muscle building journey. I'm not going to quit. I am going to compete. When? I don't know. It might take me another 6 months. It might take me a year. That's kind of the framework I'm working with. If I can get there in 6 months, great. If it takes me a year, fine. Whatever it is, it's going to happen, and you guys are all going to see it. But I still have a lot to go. I am still building muscle, and now I'm leaning out. So I will get you some full body shots and, of course, post them on Instagram like I normally do. But as of today, this is just a little weigh-in video. So 3.8 pounds, super stoked. This is the second week in on fundamental keto, and I'm glad to be back, and I'm glad you're sticking with me, and I appreciate it. And to everyone new, thank you so much for jumping on the journey. It's been a hell of a ride over the past few years, and I am just so grateful to be back, and even more grateful for all of you that have supported me and stuck with me through this whole thing. I appreciate it. All right, so next Thursday will be the next weigh-in. Say hi to Paisley. Hi, Paige. Paisley had surgery on Monday. Like, that wasn't enough with Kevin and Ashley, so we got a little puppy here that has some stitches, but she's doing great. Yes. And thank you for all your prayers for her as well. I really appreciate it, and so does my whole family. So anyway, guys, stay focused, and I love you all, and I will see you next Thursday. In between today and next week, you guys will see plenty of videos. I have some recipes that I've concocted that I'm trying to perfect, and I will put that up, and just some other keto fun stuff. So anyway, stick with me, guys. Thanks again for everything. I love you all. Stay focused, guys. Bye.